Hi everyone, Michelle here from Scrappy Soul Sister. Thank you for joining me today. I am working on a unboxing video for the limited edition December kit from my creative scrapbook. And so magical times, right? It's getting to be the season. And so let me separate out. Look how much, there's just so much in this kit this month. But let me separate some of this out because I think I'm going to start with the papers. And so the kit has a couple different vendors in it, but the main line is Simple Story, Simple Vintage Believe. And so here is the sticker sheet. And if you've watched my unboxing videos before, you'll know one of my favorite things is the word strips. And I love how these are all just one color. I like it when there's different colors, but this is a nice change. And then it's just really easy to just find the sentiment and not worry about finding the right color. So lots of great images here with the Santa and the snowmen, poinsettias and ornaments, cute little deer. Love it. So let's start with this hero paper. Look at this. So pretty. I love the little poinsettia up here, but obviously this is the main focal point for this paper. I love the old-fashioned advertisements and the layering in the back. So pretty. It's going to be hard not to choose this one for one of my layouts. But on the back is this red plaid, which is just such a great basic. So we'll see which one wins. A great all-over Christmas tree print with a lighter color background, and then an all-over holly leaf print. Really nice deep burgundy behind it. And then lots of poinsettia flowers with greenery on a green background. And then on the back is this this plaid on a creamy white background with greens and reds. I love this print. And so this one is the elements page. And so again, you might have some decisions to make, but I know I'm going to use this side somehow, some way. And here are the elements. So you have your 4x4s, your 2x2s, and more 4x4s. And this Santa down here giving you the have you been naughty or nice look. I love, the December 24th and December 25th. That makes it really easy to designate what you are scrapbooking. Get some water. We have the ticket page in all of the colors that coordinate with the kit. And then on the black, we have the same pattern as the red, but in a charcoal and black. And then we have that same print again in greens. And then on the back of that is the 3x4 cards. And so the cards you can, of course, use as is. You can cut out just one of the elements or some of the word strips. Very easy to use. This is so pretty. It's like a hot chocolate brown, I would say. It just has just a tiny bit of pink, but it's not a mauve. It's definitely a brown. And it has the ornaments over here, poinsettia. So, another one that would be great as the base of a page. And then on the back are the journal elements with lots of great word strips and journaling opportunities. Then we have our tags. And so this side is more of the plain or the one with journaling or journaling lines, and then on this side, more of the title and imaged 3x4s. And then we have this great green. This would make a great base page as well, with the poinsettias. And then on the back is an all over poinsettia print, similar to the one that we saw a little bit ago. But this one has a white background instead of a green background. We have this holly leaf on a green background. And then on the back is the traditional layered papers, music sheets, advertisements. We have our notebook page with some great little images of deer and presents, holly leaves, poinsettias. I might use this one as a base, this kit. Now, I typically don't, just because some of the others are a little more challenging to use, and I like to show you what my thoughts or ideas are with those, but this would be fun to use. On the back, though, is this green plaid. You know, the ones that I think, you know, would be fun. There's some great B-sides, so we'll see. The 4x6 elements, so again, great for titles. It does have this one that is vertical, as is the Santa, but this in particular, if you want to do some vertical journaling. And here is a all over poinsettia with greenery. This one is on a black background. And then we have this page from American Crafts. And so this is just one-sided, but it's beautiful poinsettias that you can either cut out or do die cutting with. Lots of opportunities for this. And then this is a gorgeous little page from Memory Place. This is from the Joy line. It's called Let It Snow. A pinker going into more of a blush gold towards the top. Some blue in the snow. Love the poinsettias on the sides. And then the hanging stars. That's super cute. And then on the back is this really easy gingham print, tan on tan. I'll probably use this, right? Okay, so those are the papers. The other pieces that you get that are from the Simple Stories line are the chipboard. And so nice big title here, Believe, Magical. We've got our Santa calling you on your you-know-what. And then snowmen and deer, poinsettias, a lot of the same imagery we've seen in the rest of the collection. We get the floral bits. So on the back here, you can see there are Christmas trees, poinsettias in both red and white, some holly pieces. I will spread these out at the end. And then in the kit that is not part of the Simple Stories Simply Believe line is this wrapped in ribbons thickers. So some great titles here. So that'll make titles and journaling super, super easy. I love the stars. The stars will go well. If you decide to use this page, you know, just another layer of stars here. But filled with wonder, celebrate the season, good cheer. So this will make titles super easy. But that is not all, because you also get the Evergreen Season laser cut elements from 49 and Market. And there are lots of word strips in here as well. So let me pop this open. So there should be 2 sheets and then the bonus cutouts. So let's start with the bonus, which is on the back here. So you can cut out any of the cards. You have this great red red piece that you can die cut out of, or you can cut it out and just leave white along the border. And then look at all these. I love the wood elements of this. The book plates, red trucks, you know, that is a very Christmassy thing these days. Some of the binder clips, the lanterns, and of course the different foliage. And then here we have more of the ribbons, the bells, deer and Santa. And then we have this frame and some sleds. And then all of these great tag elements and more word strips. So this will make everything super easy to document. Let me get this guy out of the way if I can. Now, let's see here. Last but not least, and not quite last, because, well, maybe I'll talk about this first. So this is the cut file that you get in your kit. You can also go to My Creative Scrapbook and click on Add on Kits to the drop down, and then it'll say Cut Files, Members Only. If you click on that, as long as you've purchased a kit from My Creative Scrapbook, you will have access to the cut files there, and this one will certainly be there if you want to do it in a different size. And so if you've purchased a kit and you have lost your password or it wasn't included for some reason, you can always email My Creative Scrapbook and they will send you that password. You also get with your kit, this month we will be providing 2 sketches. So you will have your choice as far as which sketch that you want to use, or you don't have to choose at all. You can just do both. And so those will be coming your way as well. And so now, last but not least, are the flowers, which are such an integral part of the limited edition kit. So you have red, ivory, blush, and green. This set is from Prima. And then you have 2 sets from Little Birdie, one that is ivory. And remember, the ivory ones take paint really well if you want to spray them with a different color or paint them. And then you have 3 different sizes of red with some leaves also from Little Birdie. So let me spread out those embellishments real quick. All right, so remember, these are the floral bits. And so you have a couple of good-sized clusters that you can use or cut in half, and then you have 4. There are some single poinsettias or some little clusters of poinsettias. You have your Christmas trees, quite a bit of holly, a couple little pine cones, and then you get quite a few picks or sprigs. And so of a variety of different lengths of those. So that is the limited edition kit for December. So be sure to check out the layouts that I will include at the end of this unboxing so you can see what I created. And be sure to check out the link in my description that'll take you to all of the socials for My Creative Scrapbook. Go and check out their this kit and others. This one tends to be more of the vintage style of kit, the limited edition, with the addition of also you receive the flowers. The main kit is a little bit more of the brighter lines that come out, such as Paige Evans, Bella Boulevard, that type of thing. The creative kit is great for families, if you're really focusing on documenting your children or grandchildren. And then the album kit can change as far as it's focused, but you definitely want to check that out as well if you like working in a smaller format. So thanks again. I will see you on my next video, and have a great day.